Hey there, I'm Judy Croon. Welcome to just another Mindful Monday. Today I talk about the top 5 Buddha-backed tips to help you stop worrying. There seems to be like a lot of worrying going on right now, but don't worry, I got you. I feel what you are feeling. Let's look at 2,500 years of calm, now in a convenient top 5 format. Here we go. Buddha-backed tip number 5 to help you stop worrying. I actually talked about this tip last week. Declutter your outer world. In my experience, worrying thrives in chaos, like a raccoon in a messy garbage. Buddha believed the external reflected the internal. So when I clean off my desk or finally fold that laundry, my mind stops spinning like a hamster on a wheel. Buddha-backed tip number 4 to help you stop worrying. Watch your thoughts. Don't marry them. Thoughts are like guests. Some bring wine, some bring drama. I've learned, thanks to the Buddha, that I don't have to RSVP yes to every panicky thought. I just nod politely and say, "Thanks for your concern, brain. Now, please leave." Buddha-backed tip number 3 to help you stop worrying. Breathe like you mean it. A single slow breath can cancel a full-blown worry spiral. I inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. And boom, I've gone from what if everything goes wrong to maybe I just need a sandwich and a nap. Buddha-backed tip number 2 to help you stop worrying. Let go of the outcome. This one's tough. I get it. We all love control. But worry is just like control in a panic hat. When I catch myself obsessing, I remember, do the work, let go of the fruits. That's Buddhist tip, by the way, not a diet plan. It's freeing and fewer stomach ulcers. And finally, Buddha-backed tip number 1 to help you stop worrying. Stay here, not there. The biggest game changer, the present moment. Worry lives in the future. Peace lives in the now. Worry rarely leads to a solution. A calm mind is more inclined to lead to a solution instead. When I gently tug my attention back to what's actually happening, not the 27 disasters I've invented, I feel lighter, calmer, and weirdly taller. So the next time your brain throws a worry party, just remember you don't have to attend. A little mindfulness goes a long way, and even Buddha would agree. Life's too short to rehearse disasters that haven't happened. Until next time, laugh long and prosper. I'm Judy Croon.